are having a hell of a time today. We've got this beautiful weather now. We're going to cruise from here, from Jay's shop to Decatur. And from Decatur, we're going to kind of hang out there. There's some great spots to take pictures from. There's a petrified wood cafe at Sinclair Service Station, which is really cool. From there, we're going to leave at 11:40. We're heading to Eagles Canyon Raceway, and we're going to do some parade laps on the track, it's a brand new racetrack, SCCA approved, 41 feet wide, about 4 miles long, and they are really, really excited about that. And from there, we cruise back into Denton, go to Tim and Lena Morrison's ranch estate, and we've got the Octanes playing at 3:30 to 6, and we're going to have a hell of a party.